We were looking for alternative, faster, cheaper methods of delivering bespoke parts for our cabin. Innovation has been at the very heart of our business objectives. 3D technology, not just in Emirates, throughout the world, is already dubbed as the fifth manufacturing revolution. SLS, the selective laser sintering, is another step that offers us lighter components, faster manufacturing, multiple parts to be produced at the same time. Once we perfect the manufacturing component, we need to experiment now and see its durability and how it stacks up to fault tolerance and how durable it is during normal passenger operation. The part that eventually ended up flying first is an air grill that's fitted to the first class suite. Everything you see in the cabin should eventually one day be printable. We are uniquely privileged and lucky to be at this crossroads of all these converging technologies.